Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import custom taxonomies into JetEngine using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. If you've been manually adding taxonomies, this method will save you tons of time. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly go over what we're working with. I have a custom post type called books and a custom taxonomy named genre. The genres we'll be importing today are fiction, non-fiction, mystery, biography, and fantasy. To import these, we first need a properly formatted CSV file. Here's how it should look. The name column contains the taxonomy term, the slug is a unique identifier, and the description provides additional details about each genre. To create parent-child taxonomies in JetEngine, use the greater than symbol in your CSV file, e.g., fiction mystery. This helps WordPress recognize hierarchy, ensuring that mystery becomes a child category under fiction when imported using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Now, let's import this file into WordPress. Head over to WP Ultimate CSV Importer in your dashboard and click on Import, then upload your CSV file. Select Fresh Import, then choose your custom taxonomies as the import type. I select genre since it's our custom taxonomy. Map the fields correctly, then Continue, and then click the Import button. WP Ultimate CSV Importer will process the file, and within seconds, all the genres will be added to our custom taxonomy. You'll see a confirmation message once it's done. Now, let's verify the import. Go to JetEngine Taxonomies genre, and here you'll see all the genres we just imported. And that's it. You've successfully imported JetEngine custom taxonomy data using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips. Thank you for watching.